What I'm doing is I'm trying to create a compound to see if I can get this back. Where is that? There it is. This back in its hole. Where these threads go, it's totally stripped out. And this stuff is supposed to be mixed, and then it's supposed to form and let it sit, and it's supposed to make it tight. I don't really know. I'm at a point right now I don't know about anything. Sorry, I can't hold the camera still because I should have had something in my hand, so I'll be back in a little bit. Bye. Boy, this stuff smells like possum. Not possum. What do you call them things? Oh, man. Again, y'all know A.K. Wayne. He just survived a 5.3 earthquake up there where he lives. I wish I could hold stuff steady again. I shake all over and I don't even drink no more. Here's what I need to do is take a drink. But being I'm a reformed alcoholic, I'd rather but not. Oh man, right in the hole. How wonderful. All right, hole. WD-40. Okay, I'll be back. All right. This is where it's stripped out in. This is where we're going to try to put the dang on thing back in. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all ain't watching. Y'all up in the air. But what I'm trying to do is get this thing right here sealed, and it's got a 16-hour curing time, and I'm hoping I've got the right markings. Yeah, that's the right markings on the cap right here. That's where the hole is. It goes into this tube. It goes down to the float, the little pin valve seat thingy. So even though the other day I had something else and tried something else, I had it in there and I could tell it was leaking, but I still tried to crank the engine, it wouldn't crank. So, but I also bought a new coil, points and plugs, the condenser. I've checked all my wiring, you know, and I can't really find anything that's broke or in bad shape, you know, to where it ain't got power sitting into it, because it will almost run and shut off. And it just sounds like it ain't getting no gas. So without further ado, it's just what's going on over here on the little farm in North Carolina. And I'm gonna probably go out there and in a little bit try to do the corn, get y'all's opinion. If you think it's worth picking, we'll pick it. If not, then I don't know. Of course, like I say, we got to get this booger to go first. And it was just running perfect the other day, and then when I shut it off, it just won't crank no more. And it's, to be honest with you guys, it's really aggravating. It's just, and y'all have felt the same, so you know where I'm coming from, you know what I'm talking about. So we all have to eat dust every now and then. All right, later.